Hello guys, welcome to BCoder.ir YouTube channel. We are here to solve some quiz in sololearn.com. Okay, I am here to teach you Python for beginners. I am Puya Amiri, and this YouTube channel you can see more videos about Python with sololearn. In this
Hi
playlist
everybody, welcome.
is more videos about this topic. Okay, let's go to sololearn.com. This is our course and we are in lesson 5, model 1 quiz. What is the result of the following operations? Print 1 plus 4 multiplied by 3. We just need to calculate this code and we know that the result of this code is 13. We choose it and click on continue. And the next question is filling the blanks to output I love Python. Okay, we just need to print the print arguments in here and complete this parenthesis like this in here and click on continue to check that is true. Determine the output of this code. So we should just calculate this code again and the parentheses are first 3 powered by 2 is 9 and 9 division by 2 is 4 because we don't have a decimal number in here. Which of the following operators is used to calculate the remainder in division? We know that the remainder is percent sign in Python. And the next question is filling the blank to output the quotient of dividing 100 by 42. So we just need to write this 2 slash in here to division 100 by 42. And the last one is drag and drop from the options below to produce code that outputs 10 raised to the 5th power. We just write the 10 in first part and 5 in second part. And don't forget to write here the print arguments. Click on continue and let's go to this problem. What said? It said that you need to calculate the flight time of an upcoming trip. So you are flying from LA to Sydney, covering a distance of 725 miles. 7,425 miles. The plane flies at an average speed of 550 miles an hour. Calculate the output of total flying time in hours. The result should be a float, okay? Use a print statement to output the result. We done it before, I think. Let's to check it. If I click on run, we see that it is true, this code, and we could finish this season. Okay, the first season basic concept finished in this video. In the next video, we are going to the next season of the Python for Beginners course in sololearn.com that is about strings. In the next season, we try to know more about strings in a professional situation, and we are 5 lessons to know more about strings. Thank you guys. Please like this video and comment your opinion under this video. Goodbye.